So today I'm going to show you how to make fancy spaghetti. Fancy?
Spaghetti.
Fancy?
Spaghetti.
So the fancy spaghetti is threaded spaghetti. Threaded?
Spaghetti.
Threaded?
Spaghetti.
Come with him, I show you where you stand.
With the threaded spaghetti, I have, what's this?
Sausage.
Yes, sausage, smoky. You can use sausage, smoky, hot dog. You see? So this is a chicken smoky. A chicken?
Smoky.
Yes, a chicken.
Smoky.
Yes, don't hold the table. You'll get burnt. You see, it's hot.
Yes.
Yes, so chicken smoky. I'm going to use a chicken.
Smoky.
Yes. How many types of sausage do you know?
I know too.
Which?
Sausage.
Sausage?
Beef.
Beef sausage, good.
Chicken sausage.
Chicken sausage. Pork sausage. Smoky, either beef or chicken. And we also have turkey sausage. We also have turkey sausage. You have turkey?
I want to eat turkey. I want
So,
Mama.
Don't touch the table.
yes, don't touch the table. It's hot. And on the other hand, what's this? How many of you love? Now. Also, we have caramel popcorn. So we have caramel.
Popcorn.
Now, I want to show you a very easy way of making caramel. Yes.
He's asking
Yeah.
what is caramel popcorn? What is caramel?
Yes, that's why I'm going to show you. Caramel is sugar. Caramel is... So you see those nice popcorns that you eat and they are yummy. You see those popcorns that you eat and they are yummy.
Yes.
We make them using sugar. We make them using...
Sugar.
So I have my sugar. I have my...
Sugar that came from Naivas.
Yes, that came from Naivas. I have some oil. I have some...
Oil.
So in goes the oil. In goes the...
Oil.
Yeah. So this is normal cooking oil. So in goes sugar, like 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of... Then I mix. In goes my... So normally we have popcorns at home or at the market. We use salt. But for kids, for them to be more yummy, we use. Now I'll stir. You stir so that you mix the sugar and the oil. Sugar and the oil. Then you funika. You. Yes, you cover. You. Then move because it is going to pop. Everybody pop. So that's why they are called popcorns. And maize in another English is called corn. It's called so popcorn. Pop. Yes, or kernels. You see our English. So can you see it's popping? I am able push behind. Yeah. Now that's why we cover. Because if you don't cover, you will lose all the popcorns. All the popcorns will be running away. Then we'll be going, no, I want my popcorns. But when you cover, yes, you see? Yes. So when you cover, you don't lose the popcorns. You don't lose the... Yes, but this, don't collect from down. This activity, you can tell your mommy or your auntie to help you. Guys, you can tell your mommy or your auntie to... Yes, help you. Yes.
We can also eat
Yes.
after it's done.
Yeah, we'll be testing. Yeah, we'll be testing the popcorns. We'll be testing the.
Popcorn.
So as you see, it's very easy. It's very yes, simple, easy. Yes. Now let me add more. Okay.
I am going to
Let me add more. Yes, so that you can taste.
Yes, everybody will take.
Everybody will taste.
Yes, no one.
So this is a simple way of cooking yummy popcorns. Yummy.
Popcorn.
So you take a muiko or a whisk, you mix. You now at home you tell your auntie or your mommy that the fire should not be too much. The fire should not be. Otherwise, if the fire is too much, the caramel or the sugar will burn. The caramel or the sugar will. For example, with me, you see this one? Burnt. Okay?
Why did you eat?
So if it burns, inakuwa kali instead of being sweet, instead of being or yummy. Okay? Now, pop the popcorns. Pop the. Okay. Now, as you are popping the popcorns, we have spaghetti. So spaghetti originated from Italy. Spaghetti originated from. So I have two types of spaghetti. No, two types of pasta. Spaghetti is in the family of pasta. So this is spaghetti, and this is no, this is elbow spaghetti. Elbow. Now, yeah. So this is spaghetti, pasta, elbow. Okay, and this is straight spaghetti. Okay. So this one tutaifanyia kazi. Hiyo tutaifanyia kazi. But now, on making our threaded spaghetti, tunachukua spaghetti, your sausage. Have you ever seen it? You have not. So, it's good if you shake the pan when cooking the popcorn, so that sugar can be all round, okay? Yeah. That's why we cover. That's why we. You shake or stir. You shake or. No. So now this is a fancy way of cooking spaghetti, okay? So yeah, unazidunga tu hivyo. Very easy, very
easy.
You must wait, I give you.
Okay.
So we wait for our spaghetti to be cold, okay? So now, to cool, now we have our pasta. So you take like 6. Yeah. You stack it. You
stack it.
That's right. Yeah. So wait. So Afi will try. Not everyone. So close to me.
What? Look this one.
You also you answer the question.